What's up guys, I'm James and welcome back to the Great Gambino channel. Today I'm going to jump back in VRChat. My wife actually got a headset, so I'm going to meet up with her once I get into the app. It's going to be really cool. We're going to have a lot of fun. Let's go. What just happened actually when I was setting this up, because we have two Oculus Quest headsets now, I accidentally had her headset on and I looked down and I had her avatar and everything, and it was all messed up. I couldn't sign in properly, and then we realized we're wearing the wrong headsets. And also because I had her headset on, the settings were not set here with the straps. So when I was syncing up my audio here with the mic, I do this thing where I point down, I point up, and then I just sync up the motion and everything and the sound of my voice. And when I whipped my head back, the headset flew off of my head and landed behind me. I'll have maybe a couple clips of that I'll cut in to show you what just happened. And 1, 2, 3, jump. Oh, my headset flew off my head. Son of a... I think I'm in your headset. Because I have your avatar.
I'm going to the center. You're right behind me, I think.
Oh, there you are. Hey. Hey, babe.
Your potato Oh, there you are.
Come with me. We're going to go look for some avatars. Because I want to get a different avatar. I don't want this one. There's tons of different avatars in here, I guess. I've never been in here.
Can I pick one for you?
Yeah, which one do you want me to have?
Let me see. I like the
I like the ice cream cone, just throwing that out there.
Oh, there's a lot of...
Yeah, it's like over 100 avatars or something.
But it has to... Do all these go for the Quest? Or...
It'll say in the top corner, it'll say Quest and PC. Most of them look like they're for both. There's a few that aren't, though, you could see.
I like this,
Let's test it out.
This guy.
Oh, that's loading. What do you think? It looks like Dalsum from Street Fighter 2. Hey, there's a Dracula. That looks kind of like a Power Ranger.
Cool. Let me see.
The Dracula. Ooh, what do you think of that?
Oh, I like the Dracula.
Okay, let's do that one. I'm going to suck your blood. Ooh, here we go.
Oh, yeah, that's awesome.
That's the one. All right, let's bounce. Let's go somewhere cool.
Oh, this is cool.
Hey. I don't know if anyone's in here, but at least we got in here.
Yeah, I like the fact that it's just us exploring.
All right, let's go down here and check it out. Where are you? Oh, there you are.
I'm back. I'm going down to the fire.
You want to go sit by the fire?
Yeah.
I gotta sit in real life. Oh, it's too low. I'm like in my own crotch. Ha!
You're being a contortionist.
Ah! I guess I have to stand.
Now you just need to turn into a bat. I'm right here. Look what I got from the tent.
What is that?
I don't know.
It looks like a poop.
It looks like a little crystal.
Hey, it floats.
Like a floating Oh, no.
Whoa, where's it going? Hey, there's a little boat over here, Fran. Come on.
Hold on. I'm following you.
Careful, don't touch the hub thing or you'll... Can we go onto it? Yeah.
Ha! I'm gonna sit.
Is it going somewhere?
I feel like I'm floating away.
I am Maybe you have to like pick a sit
button.
spot.
There
you go. And where does it go all the way around? Look at all these people behind us that are not talking.
Oh no!
Where are you going?
No!
Ah!
I'm in the water.
I'm stuck. Ah! I fell through the broken floor.
Like,
hey, check out these big mushrooms. You see these? That's good mushrooming right there. That's good stuff. Babe, check out this big crystal.
There's a bunch of them.
What?
There's a bunch of the big crystals.
Ah! Boom!
Yeah.
I did a wrestling move on you.
You want to check out a different room?
Yeah, there's not much going on in here. Do you want to drop a portal wherever you want to go?
Yeah, let me see what I want to do.
All right, let me move out of the way.
I already did.
Oh, you did? Okay, let's go.
I'm in it. All right.
Hey, cool. I don't know why I can't hear anyone.
I can hear you. Maybe people just don't like to put their mics on.
I feel like it's something we have set up.
Because it looks like their voices are set to mute. Because if you look at the little symbols up top, they have little X's.
Yeah, I don't know why though. What's the point of being in VRChat if you're not going to chat? He's jumping like he's trying to say something. Go in that room and come back if you're trying to say something to me. He is. He's trying to say something. Yeah.
Maybe there's something in settings.
I'm listening into what someone's telling Fran how to set the audio back. Safety, safety, safety. Okay. Yeah, I see it. Gotcha. Yeah. Audio is on.
They're all
Oh,
saying
voice.
your name.
Jim.
Fran, so wait, just audio or you gotta turn voice on?
Jim.
There we go.
And avatar.
Jim. Your face is my canvas.
My name is Jimmy. Jimbo.
You're not.
Call me Jimbo.
You're not canvas.
I could hear people. I could see pictures of avatars on your chest
It's
plates.
a miracle. He can see.
Hey, can I go in here and take a poop? Well, that's not. That's not very welcoming.
Matthias is 95% pure.
Huh. I'm sitting on the pooper. Fran, come check me out. I'm pooping.
Did you say you got like 42?
Ha! Does it look like I'm taking a poop?
Yeah.
Hey.
You're
I wash my
hang
hands.
yourself.
Shh. Little dirt right
Meat
there.
Hansky
Piece of
did
dirt.
it. Meat Hansky did it.
I took a poop and there's a little piece of poop on my hand. See? Can you see it?
No.
What are you doing, brother?
Blah! You want to drop a portal
No,
somewhere
I'm
else?
gonna go
'Cause
up
now
the
we can-
stairs.
What's
See
up
the
here? Let's go
stairs?
upstairs. Oh, cool. Check this out.
Let's get spooky.
Yo, you sound super sarcastic.
Can I go out this door? I'm on the rooftop. There's a gravestone up here.
Oh, cool.
Hey, Frank, look at off the ledge here.
For the
Wow.
whole city.
This looks really, really cool. It looks real almost.
Yeah. There's a chicken in that.
That's awesome. Someone just put it in there. Goodbye,
Awesome
chicken.
Soup for the soul.
Wow, went all the way down.
Look how cool it is over here. You can just sit.
It's like a mad ball from the 80s. Hey, Fran, look over here. Look over here.
Ah!
Did I scare you?
No.
No.
I'm sitting on the floor.
Are you actually
myself
standing
sitting.
when you sit?
Not. I'm sitting.
In real life?
Yeah, because I set mine to seated play.
Oh. Well, how do you do the
That's
mirror?
I clicked. I reached for the mirror.
Oh, I can
close
see myself.
there.
Can you see yourself?
Yeah.
That's what my avatar looks like. Oh my god, that's so cool.
There you go. Babe, look
It's
to your
so
side.
weird. It stays locked onto you so well. Ah.
know.
It's so weird when you. It feels weird when you lean in like that.
Really weird. It's like all red, like right around my mouth.
You can sing YMCA.
Like I have a finger that splits and the other ones are stuck.
I get closer and it looks.
Yeah.
It looks normal.
Paper, scissors? Ready?
That's gonna be hard. It's gonna
Oh,
be hard
you
to
gotta
play.
try. Give it the old college. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. You cheated.
Rock. No, I didn't.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go. You keep going after me. I win and you lose.
No,
Cool.
I don't.
Yep,
It's
you
hard
lost.
to
I'm
play.
number 1.
Let me turn the mirror off.
You have to just point at the
Pillows?
mirror. Point at the mirror and.
I know. I got it.
Oh, I have to do it too, though, or it doesn't go away in my screen.
Action.
Hey, there's a guy up there. How did he get up there? How did he get there? Can I jump in this game?
No, it's still doing this.
What? Where are you?
Ambiance.
Oh, how do you turn on your fly?
That's just something I can do with this avatar.
Oh. You want to go somewhere else, friend?
Yeah. Where do you want to go?
Where are you?
Let me look at the world.
All right, you get to pick the worlds.
Here, let me drop a portal for you.
Why don't you go ahead and drop a
I
portal?
suppose I'll find somebody else to hang out with.
Drop.
Okay.
Woo! What is this, Fran? A bar?
It says the Great Pug West.
Here, sit up here. So you could just kind of, well, if you set up your own bar here, you could literally rest your arms. You set up something, and then you could have Unreal drink. And just spill it all over your headset.
And just be drinking.
Could I go behind the bar and serve you? Oh, I can go behind the bar this way. I'm going to serve you guys. Yep. Look look at the beer. Ah! Chop, 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 chop. You see it? Oh, hold on, I got a cup right here. What'll it be, Fran?
I want the blue light special.
All right, let's go ahead and get that right here. All right, no driving home. There you go. Hey, how you doing, partner? Right there for you, buddy. There you go. No drinking and driving. Here.
Oh, there's a real bottle. It's hard to keep them. They don't like to stay.
There's one for you. And let's just go ahead. We'll get you a dark. Here you go. I got you a dark one over here, buddy. Right for you. Whoop. Just kick that off real quick. Just shut the notch up there.
I figured it out. You have to hit just one button.
And we'll give you this one here.
I would like.
There you go. Keep them going. What?
I would like. What is it called? A tequila sunrise or whatever.
Hey, look who came to the party. Let me get you the hard stuff. Here you go.
Thanks, my knees are kind of going for the table.
Get the party started here, really. I need more cups. The party's really... Oh, here we go. This is where they keep the good stuff. Okay. All right. Here's a bowl of mac and cheese for you, buddy. You go ahead. You're a little young sounding, so I don't want to give you beer.
That looks like,
Got a little piece of cake.
Oh, it is mac and cheese.
You've been here for a while, so you're ready for a dessert.
Oh, God.
There you go.
Bartend. I need something a little stronger than this. Something to take the edge off.
Let me take that back. We'll give you a light beer. Really get you starting here. Oh, yeah, there you go. There you go. Hey, what's down here?
Let's go.
Fran, you watch the bar.
I'm following you.
I feel like I'm a little kid playing again. You could take a pee. Hey! Muchachos!
The men's restroom.
I see more avatars now, I think.
You do?
They're all like little
Hello,
cats.
Brother in... Oh, I see the cat.
Oh, maybe it's the cat. Oh, look at that. There's Luigi or whatever. Not Luigi. I don't know the name of the evil Luigi.
Thank you.
Are you a mixture of Shaggy and the other character there?
He already
What the hell is going on?
I don't know what you mean. I'm perfectly normal.
That is some creepy stuff right there.
This is terrifying.
Perfectly normal. I don't know what you're talking about.
You might be okay.
Look at this cat. This looks kind of like real if it was PlayStation 1. Ah!
Oh god, the point is...
Look at that animation.
Oh god.
Okay, this is making me dizzy.
No, I'm out.
This is making me dizzy.
Holy there's a herd of cats in here.
Spinning, please?
Alright guys, we're going to end the video here. I had a little bit of fun. We learned how to play a little bit better and we got the audio working so we could talk to more people. Thank you for watching the video. If you stuck with me this far, I'm definitely going to play this a lot more. There's not a ton in the Oculus Quest right now socially, so this is a lot of fun along with Rec Room as they add things there. So I definitely will be playing more and more. I like to play social apps the best, so that's what I'm going to focus on into the future. But thanks again for sticking with me, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.